The CompTIA CySA Plus certification exam evaluates a candidate's ability to capture, monitor, and respond to network traffic, with an emphasis on software and application security. This intermediate-level certification entails both hands-on, performance-based, and multiple-choice questions. Though there is no prerequisites, it is advised that candidates first acquire the Network Plus and Security Plus certificates prior, and master the following techniques: intelligence and threat detection techniques, data analysis and interpretation, vulnerability identification, preventative security measures, incident response and recovery. Our Cybersecurity Professional Program enlists industry-leading cybersecurity specialists from around the world to develop a market-driven curriculum for budding technologists. Students that complete the Cybersecurity program are thoroughly educated on intermediate security topics, and, with additional at-home studying, can go on to take the CompTIA CySA Plus exam.